आगे आगे चलूं मैं, पीछे मेरी जिंदगी, थोड़ा सा जी लूं आज मर्जी है मेरी। कच्चे कच्चे रस्तों पे जिंदगी है टेढ़ी सी, रोशन है रात और सुबह मेरी अंधेरी सी, बीते लम्हों को बुला के।
Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel The Chubby Girl. I am Arpita Geji. It's 9th of April today. Me and my girls gang were heading for a day trip today. So I thought I would take you around the trip. We are trying to cover 3 places: Yana Caves, Vibhuti Falls and Gokarna. So let's see whether we'll be able to cover all these 3 places within the time. So we left Dharwad at 6 o'clock early in the morning and now it's 7:45. We have stopped at Shanbag Naturals to have breakfast. So the next stop will be Yana Caves. So without wasting any more time, so let's start the trip.
चुरा के बीते लम्हों को बुला के, पल थोड़े से चुरा के, पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए।
So guys, there is a slight change in the plan. First we are visiting Vibhuti Falls. Look at the greenery and the nature, guys. It's so freaking beautiful. Look at the view. So guys, this is the entrance. So these are my friends. So guys, you need to trek around 1 kilometer to reach Vibhuti Falls. So here we go.
धीरे धीरे बहता जाए जाए, शामें काली सी कोई स्याही, लिख दो इससे तुम्हारी कहानी। तुम हो मुसाफिर और जिंदगी सफर, टुकड़ों में।
So guys, from Vibhuti Falls we are now heading to Yana Caves. From Vibhuti Falls to Yana Caves it's around 10 kilometer, but the road is very bad. And now we are trekking 2 more kilometers to reach Yana Caves. I'm really exhausted right now. The road is really bad, guys. Very bad.
क्या है दिल का लगाना, नजरों से ना हमको गिराना, तो भूल ना जाना।
So guys, after 30 minutes of hiking, we finally reached Yana Caves, guys. Look at it, how amazing and beautiful it is. So guys, the main part of Yana Caves starts here. Taking a complete round around the Yana Caves is very important. This might take around 20 to 25 minutes to complete one single round. The pujari inside the temple told us that if you take one round, that will be equivalent to 5 rounds taken. How amazing is that? The cameras were prohibited inside, so I couldn't shoot the inside parts of the temple. So basically, there is a black rock which is worshipped as Linga, the symbol of Shiva. On top of that, there is a tunnel, water droplets falling on the Shiva continuously. Though there is no source of water in the tunnel, still all 365 days there is a continuous fall of water droplets on the Shiva. Sounds crazy, but it's true, guys. There is no source of water in the tunnel, still the water droplets fall on Shiva continuously without there is no change due to any season like summer, winter or rainy, anything. There is a continuous flow of water droplets falling on Shiva. That took my heart away. How amazing, how miracle the things are in India. Don't go far away, it's in Karnataka. I felt so happy, and trust me, reaching Yana Caves might take a bit time, but once you reach here, the ambience, the vibe is totally different here. You will feel so relaxed and calm at this place. So if you get a chance to visit the Yana Caves, please don't miss it. It's a very beautiful place to visit. So Yana Caves are naturally occurred. They are not carved or they are not made by man or anybody. It's naturally occurred.
Oh no!
तेरे हवाले है ये जिंदगी मेरी.
So guys, we have stopped for the lunch. Nearby there is a place called as a Red Chili something restaurant. So we have stopped here for the lunch. Look at the view, guys. How beautiful it is. So we'll be having our lunch here.
मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा, मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा, मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा, मैंने सुन लिया. शोर आया ऐसे तो तू बेफिक्र है क्यों, शर्माई मंजिलें तू बेखबर है क्यों.
So guys, finally we reached Gokarna and it's around 4 o'clock now. So we'll play in beach for around 1 hour and we'll get back to our home.
फिजूल की बातें खो गए थे हम, जाने का तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया.